Hey, the sunshine, here in my hands I have my July Quirky Crate. I am so excited. So if you've never heard of Quirky Crate, girl, hang out, watch this video, because if you haven't heard of Quirky Crate, you have been missing out. So I'm going to take it down, I'm going to slow it down a notch, so that way you guys can understand what I am saying, because I know I talk really, really fast, but it's just because I'm so excited. Okay, so Quirky Crate, if you've never heard of it, what is up? This is the best subscription box in the entire world. There is no other box on this planet that brings me as much joy as this box does. So in each month's box, you get a piece of flair, you get a pair of socks, and you get a purse. I have a whole jean jacket dedicated to Quirky Crate. I've had Quirky Crate since October 2018. Every single piece of flair I have gotten from my Quirky Crate, I've put on that jacket. It is 106 degrees outside. I'm not putting on that jacket. And I still it's taken me a month to get caught up on putting all of the flair on it, and now I'm gonna have even more to put on it, and I'm very, very excited. I love the socks that I get inside of my Quirky Crate because they are actually, it's not printed on, it's actually like a part of like the fabric. The pattern is actually like in the fabric, so when you like pull them apart, you don't get that weird white-ish look to them. And then the purses that I get in my Quirky Crate I love because they remind me the aesthetic of Betsy Johnson, who is my favorite designer. So all around, this box is amazing. If you want to save money off of your first month's box, I will have a little coupon code pop up right here. With that said, let's get inside of it. I'm so excited. This one's famous music. Okay, so I'm so excited. Okay, Quirky Crate sticker, cool, done. Opening it up. Okay, I always forget this every single time. So basically, in each month's Quirky Crate, they feature an underground artist. So like basically somebody who's not artists all the time, sometimes it's businesses too. So I think that's amazing. Okay, putting that aside, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so before we get into this box, I would just like to talk a little bit about myself. So music is like my thing. I play 8 different instruments. I was a band nerd in high school. Music is not like, I feel like if you could like cut me open and just like look at the inside of my body, I'm sure that you would find music notes on the inside of it. I like cannot cry without talking about my passion for music. So we're gonna keep this happy and not continue talking about my passion for music. Choir, I really wanted to go to school to become a music teacher. Life led me down a different path, and I'm so happy where it has led me to. Warped Tour, I'm definitely one of those people that loves listening to like all sorts of genres. I mean, I literally mean anything, like Celtic music, like operatic music, orchestral music, heavy metal, pop. Give me any genre and I will gladly listen to it. So with all that said, I am so excited for this month's box. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is the Quirky Crate iron-on patch, and it says all you need is a little, well, it doesn't say little, it says all you need is love. Here I am not properly reading things again. So super cute. I actually love that patch. I think that would look really, really cute right here on a jacket. I'm so sorry if the camera looks different or if any of this looks different. I had a very important email to read, but I am back in action. Okay, so the pin that we got in this month's box is so freaking cute. Oh my goodness, I love the little chain. Also, if my nails look dark purple or weird, it's because of my hair. It's coming out like blue in the shower, so my skin and my nails are still very stained. But look how freaking cute. I absolutely love the chain connection. That is so cute. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. I have no idea what this is, so I'm really excited to see what, because I see Nicki Minaj. So it says wrapping paper set of 2 sheets. Oh my gosh. Let's see how many people I can recognize. So I see Kanye West. This is Tupac. This is Eminem, Nicki Minaj, and Snoop Dogg. Yes, I think I got them all because it's just a repeat over and over. Or is it Snoop Dogg? I don't know. I'm going to say this one's Snoop Dogg. Let me know if you disagree with me in the comment section down below. Let's do it. Okay, so this is so cute. Very different, honestly. Christmas, this is going to be really fun wrapping paper. Okay, so let's see what else we got in here. I have this road trip mixtape sticker. Love that. I got a new laptop too, so now I needed new stickers to put on my laptop. I absolutely love this. Okay, I'm very excited to see what is in this bag. I love the sunglasses that I get in my Quirky Crate. I have no idea what's in here, but I have a feeling that I'm gonna be very happy. Oh my gosh, these are fabulous. Oh my gosh. Okay, I wish I got more sunglasses in my Quirky Crate. I am obsessed. I look fabulous. Look at me. I look like I belong in Hollywood. Get out of my way. I'm somebody important. And you can tell because of the sunglasses I'm wearing. Oh, I'm gonna do a little dance. These are my fancy sunglasses dance. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off before I ruin my makeup because I don't know how people do it, but I always, like right here, I always get marks from wearing sunglasses. So I'm just gonna wear them in my hair, like, you know, like this. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. I got these, super cute music sunglasses. Oh yeah. So adorable. And as you can see, like when you stretch them apart, no weird white underneath thing part of it. But these are my favorite socks I've ever gotten in my Quirky Crate. Absolutely so cute. Okay, and then last but not least is the sneak peek that I saw in my Instagram, which I was so hyped for, and it is the purse. Okay, I'm gonna put the box down so I can like just give this a moment. So here's the purse. Look how freaking cute. Okay, it's silver. If any of you are curious of what the accent chain is, it is silver. I would have to like put a book on this just to, because this was kind of bent inside the box. So I'll put a book on this to straighten it out. But don't I look like a rock star? Somebody call Nickelback. They can write another song about me. Okay, so let's take a closer look at the pricing of this month's box. It says music can change the world, which I so totally agree with. The guitar purse has a retail value of $35. The music note socks has a retail value of $9. The iron-on patch has a retail value of $6. The Cactus Coast sticker, which is the mixtape sticker, has a retail value of $3. The wrapping paper has a retail value of $6. These sunglasses have a retail value of $22. And the Walkman enamel chain has a retail value of $15, with a total value of this box being $96. So that is everything that I got in my July Quirky Crate. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this box. What was your favorite item in this box? I can't wait to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.